Here is a tip for cat owners. Do not leave your drawer, your junk drawer, which I was getting batteries, open, because your cat will find a way to go in and hide. Amazing. Ninja. Great. We're going for the high quality dinner tonight. A quesadilla with a little garlic powder. I like garlic powder, not garlic salt. I've got enough salt everywhere else. And some great value thick and chunky medium salsa, which I added some extra tomatoes, I'll show you, with habaneros. Add this to your medium salsa. And man, boy, does it taste good. I don't like the Walmart Great Value brand hot, because it's just a little hot with not as much flavor, and this is my own combo. So I've got the cheese added. Next comes the garlic salt. And here we go. Just a little all over. I don't know, I just like this flavor. Add into the microwave. Start the generator. Generator's going. Start for 50 seconds. Put tortillas and cheese back in the fridge. Yes, I store my tortillas in the fridge to extend their life. Look at that baby. Perfect. And the generator ran for 60 seconds. Maybe run a little bit more, 2 minutes more like it. Oh, look who's decided to come out and say hello. Now I'm going to add some salsa. And of course, I've got canned chicken that I could always add on here. And I've got refried beans to make a burrito. Either bean burrito or chicken burrito. This is just super easy. I'm going to show you, with the salsa added, the proper way to fold any burrito. Put more of the salsa up here, not so much at the bottom, because you're going to flip this over on the bottom so that it doesn't have all the ingredients falling out of the bottom. And there we go. Enjoy.